Hi, kindergarten friends. This is our writing for today. We are writing sentences. So when we are copying our sentences, we have to make sure that we follow certain rules. So let's take a look at this first sentence. I saw a cow. So the sentence is, I saw a cow. Now when we write sentences, we always start with a big capital letter. Did you see that? So it's always going to be tall. I. It's not a lowercase I, it's a capital. Then you're going to notice that in between the words there is spaces. You can put your whole finger in those spaces. They do that so you know that the difference where one word starts and where the next one starts. So you don't get confused, because if it was all put together, it would be a bunch of just letters and it wouldn't be any words. Also, when you're writing a sentence, you need to end it. When you're all done writing, you put a punctuation. Here we have a period. That means we're all done with our sentence. All right, let's get started and write our first sentence. Are you ready? It's I saw a cow. All right, so I'm going to first trace the I. Did you see that I started at the top and I took my time? So now I'm going to make an I here. I. Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. And then I'm going to do saw. All right. Now if you notice, all these letters are small, so they're between the lines. Take your time. Now do you see when we write it down here, I'm going to need that finger space right here to write my word saw. I don't want it really close. I need space. Saw, S, A, take your time, W. Now we're going to write the word A here, so I'm going to trace it. And now I'm going to do the same here. Again, put my finger here so I have a space. Do you see how I did that? Space here, space up here. Now I'm going to write the word cow, or trace it. So I've got to put my finger here so I remember there's a space. Did you notice when I'm writing, I'm not going fast? I'm taking my time to do my best work. So I wrote cow up, or traced cow. Now I'm going to write it. Okay, remember when you're done writing your sentence and you're all done, you put a punctuation. There's the period. I put it right on the line. It doesn't go flying up here or way down here. It goes right on the line. I saw a cow. Now I'm going to do the next sentence. I saw a goat. There's a goat. So again, I'm going to start with a capital letter when I'm writing sentences. Here's the word I. Now I'm going to make the I here. Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Then I'm going to remind myself the space that's here by putting my finger here, and then I'm going to trace the word saw again. All right, we've already wrote this one time above. So take your time. Now I'm going to come down here, put my finger space here. I saw. Now I'm putting my finger back over here and I'm going to trace the A. I saw A. Now I'm going to come down here. I saw A. All right, notice that the A is between the lines. It's a small letter. Now I'm going to trace the word goat. Now remember, G is a descending letter. It has to go up on the bottom of the line. Do you see that? And then O is a small, the A is a small, ooh, and a tall, T is the tall. Okay, so now we're going to do it down here. Make sure you're showing me that this G is falling below the line. Okay, I saw some of your work and I noticed that your G's weren't below the line. So make sure if it's not correct that you fix it. Okay, those are both small, and then the T is tall, so I can make that tall above the line. Don't make it small. The T is not small. The T is tall. And then do you notice there's a period again ending my sentences right on the line. So I'm going to do that one here too. I saw a goat. I did my very best work, boys and girls. I'm very proud of it. So I'm going to give myself a check. And I hope that you guys are doing your best, that you can give yourself a check because you're proud also. Please take a picture of this and send it to me so I can see your beautiful handwriting and your beautiful sentences.